Georgia is a country famous for its historical and natural beauties, called the Pearl of the Caucasus. It borders the Black Sea to the north, Azerbaijan and Armenia to the east, Turkey to the south, and Abkhazia and South Ossetia, which border the Black Sea, to the west. The country, whose capital is Tbilisi, offers its visitors an unforgettable experience with its thousands of years of rich history, cultural heritage and breathtaking views. Georgia is a country with unique natural beauties. Located at the foothills of the Caucasus Mountains, it offers a landscape filled with spectacular mountain views, green valleys, and crystal-clear lakes. The country's Black Sea coast offers a relaxing holiday with its long, golden beaches and cool waters. Georgian cuisine is also famous worldwide. Delicious meals are prepared with fresh and organic ingredients. While famous Georgian wines delight the palate with their rich taste profiles, local delicacies such as Khachapuri and khinkali are also favorites of gastronomy enthusiasts. Khachapuri is a traditional dish from Georgia and one of the most famous delicacies of Georgian cuisine. This delicious food, usually a perfect combination of cheese and dough, can be prepared in a variety of ways and is served with different recipes in different regions. Basically, khachapuri is made by putting various cheeses into yeast dough and baking it in the oven. The dough is usually rolled out into a round or boat shape and filled with feta, cheddar cheese, or other various cheeses. Then the edges of the dough are closed and baked in the oven. The most popular varieties of khachapuri include ajaruli and amarali. While ajaruli khachapuri is served with eggs and butter added to the boat-shaped dough. Amarali khachapuri is a more traditional recipe with only cheese inside. Khachapuri can be found in every corner of Georgia and is often consumed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's a popular snack or main course option among locals and visitors alike. In Georgia, khachapuri is not only a food, but also a cultural symbol. Its preparation, presentation, and consumption are part of Georgian traditions and are considered a way of expressing warmth and tolerance to guests. That's why everyone traveling to Georgia is recommended to try khachapuri, because this delicious dish represents an important part of Georgian culture.